Here's what you can do in order to fix hotspot problems on the Motorola Moto G56. So the first thing that you can do is open settings, and of course we're gonna go to network and internet in order to find hotspot and tethering. Now here what you can do at first is simply disable and enable hotspot. You can simply turn it off and back on, because sometimes this simple thing solves some of the issues. We can also tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot itself in order to find settings, of course. Now, one of the first things that you can do is make sure that your device is not hidden, because if it's hidden, then of course other devices won't be able to find your hotspot in the list of Wi-Fi networks. So you want to reveal your device in case it is hidden. However, if you want to keep it hidden, then of course you can generate the QR code, and this is how we can connect other devices to our Wi-Fi hotspot, by scanning this QR code on other devices. So if you do so, you don't even have to enter the password in order to connect to your Wi-Fi. However, if you cannot scan the QR code on another device, then of course you cannot hide your device. And what you can also do is check the speed and compatibility. In case you use 5 GHz for your Wi-Fi hotspot and you cannot find your network on another device, or you cannot connect to another network, you cannot connect to this network on another device, then you might want to switch back to 2.4 GHz, because it provides more compatibility. By doing so, you should be able to find your Wi-Fi network on pretty much every other device that has Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, not every device supports 5 GHz, so this can be the reason why your Wi-Fi network is not working or cannot be found. And besides that, make sure that you entered the password correctly, of course. In case you need to, you can just set up a pretty simple password like 123456778. You need to use at least 8 characters for the password. Of course, just for now, in order to make things easier. And if none of this helps, what you can also do is make sure that you have proper connection with your Wi-Fi if you are sharing the Wi-Fi access. So you want to go to the Wi-Fi settings over here. And well, actually we cannot use Wi-Fi at all. So unfortunately, if you enable the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you don't have access to Wi-Fi. So you need to keep that in mind. This can be also the reason why your Wi-Fi is not working. We can only share mobile data like this. And because of that, you want to make sure that mobile data is set up properly, that everything is set up as it should be. So you want to check if your mobile data is working. And that's pretty much everything we can do in order to make Wi-Fi hotspot work. Just a little tip: if the mobile data is not working properly, or there is no internet when using your Wi-Fi hotspot, you might want to go to System and Reset Options, and you might want to reset mobile network settings over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.